In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on automatic country/region redirection in Shopify, making your store even more accessible to your global audience. This feature is incredibly useful if you have customers from different parts of the world, as it directs them automatically to the version of your store that matches their location. It ensures they're seeing the correct currency, language, and product availability, optimizing their shopping experience. Let's dive straight into the steps you need to follow to enable this feature. First, make your way to the Shopify admin page. Once you're there, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. This is where you have a plethora of options to configure your online store. Look for the option labeled Online Store. It might be a little daunting at first with so many choices available, but don't worry. By focusing on this element, you'll already be on the right track. Once you've clicked on Online Store, several new options will appear beneath it. From these, go ahead and select Preferences. The Preferences page is essentially a hub where you can tweak various settings related to your store's appearance and functionality, so it's quite an important area to familiarize yourself with. Scrolling down within the Preferences page, you'll come across a section devoted to automatic redirection. This area is specifically where you can configure how your store responds to customers visiting from different countries or regions. To activate the automatic redirection feature, you simply need to enable the appropriate setting in this section. When you enable it, Shopify works its magic by using the customer's browser settings to detect their location. Once that's determined, your store will automatically redirect them to the corresponding country or region version of your site. It's a seamless way of ensuring your customers get the most relevant experience based on their geographical location. And that's all there is to it. It might seem a little too easy, and in truth, Shopify has designed this process to be as straightforward as possible. With just a few simple clicks, you've now set up your store to automatically cater to a global audience. This little adjustment can make a significant impact on customer satisfaction and potentially even your conversion rates. Remember, always review any changes you make by testing the feature yourself or asking friends in different locations to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Doing this helps guarantee a smooth experience for every visitor and can be key in maintaining your store's professional look and feel. Thank you for following along, and hopefully, this guide has made turning on automatic country-region redirection in Shopify a simple task for you.